Take out the machine and all its parts. Install racks. Mount the connecting wire for HIEMT. Install the power cord. The voltage must be 110 volts. Ensure all the parts are properly connected and press the power switch to start the equipment. Then the handpiece selection interface will show up. Click an icon on the page to select a handpiece. Click Auto. Select the gender, age, and body part. Click the Start button and enter the working interface. 5 modes are available. Each can automatically switch among 6 frequencies and has a warming up time of 1 minute. HIT, primary training. Obesity adaptive training. Slightly fat, initial training. Shaping, advanced training. Lose weight, professional training. Click HIT. Parameters setting. Operating time range, 5 to 60 minutes. 30 minutes is suggested. Energy range of AB/CD is 0% to 100%, 34% to 66% is advised. Note, you can adjust it per individual tolerance. Fasten a strap of suitable length onto a treated area, and insert the handpieces into it. The procedures for obesity, SLGHTLY fat, shaping, or lose weight are the same as HIT. Select the mode per a client's conditions. Click the Start button, and it will automatically switch among the 6 frequencies. Click the Pause button, remove the handpieces, and untie the strap. Click Manual, select the gender, age, and body part, click the Start button, and enter the working interface. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 30 minutes. Suggested energy level, 34%-66%. Frequency range, 0 Hz to 150 Hz. The recommended frequency for F1, F2, and F3 is 50 Hz, 5 Hz, and 150 Hz, respectively. Note, you can adjust it per individual tolerance. Click the Start button, and it will automatically switch among F1, F2, and F3. Click the pause button, remove the handpieces, and untie the strap. Turn off the equipment, unplug the power cord,